The opposition People's National Party is calling for the government to clarify its policy for public officials vying for positions within international organizations. Now, this follows news of Foreign Affairs Minister Kamina Johnson-Smith's campaign spend. Jamaica Maitland has that story.
The whopping $43 million spent for officials to travel to Rwanda, as well as to fund Foreign Affairs Minister Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith's failed Commonwealth Secretary General bid, is being scrutinized by the People's National Party. According to opposition spokesman on finance Julian Robinson, the arrangement lacked transparency.
I heard the Minister of Information said it's inappropriate to comment on whether a private company engages a private company. The reality is that this is public business. It was done to support and advance the campaign of a public official on behalf of Jamaica. But it is in the public's interest to know who were the persons who contracted things and who were the persons who funded them. That can't be a private matter.
Mr. Robinson says the public needs to know the full list of companies that were contracted to provide public relations and other services. Of the $43 million, $25.7 million was spent on a government delegation to attend the Commonwealth Heads of Government Summit in Rwanda in June, a figure Mr. Robinson called excessive and tone-deaf.
There's been no report which gives a breakdown of the objectives of the delegation beyond the results of the election for the Secretary General. But within the context that Jamaicans are struggling to put food on the table, they have increases in food prices every week, increases in gas prices every week. To spend $25 million on a delegation to a conference without any clear objectives, to me, is an excessive amount of money to spend.
According to the PNP, in the past, public officials vying for posts within international organizations would finance themselves with the assistance from government and other groups. But was there a change in policy?
We are not against a government supporting a candidate, but we believe there needs to be very clear guidelines about the basis on which that support is going to be provided and the parameters within which that support will be provided.
Mr. Robinson tabled questions back in June for the Prime Minister to provide responses about financing for the campaign. He says while things are unfolding in the public now, the opposition is expecting a more detailed report when the Parliament resumes in September. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.